Amazing. Look at this. Amazing. My whole face is lifted and I did it in under 5 minutes. If you're wondering how I did this, just keep watching. As you guys can see, I really didn't get a facelift, right? So this is my face in its natural state. Which I'm not too thrilled about because, you know, as you get older, the face starts to go south, the neck starts going like this, and losing 40 pounds did not help. So everything just seems to be falling down, which I never had a problem with before, but now I do, and it's a little, I don't know. We have to fix this. And I do not have the money to get a facelift, which I wish I would. So YouTube made me do this, TikTok made me do this, Instagram made me do this, but I found Art Harding's Instant Face Lift and Neck Lift Tape. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so I got this yesterday in the mail, and they gave me the blonde one instead of the brunette one, but we're gonna try to make this work, and if it does work, well, then I'm getting the dark one, and we are going to look 15 years younger. Hoping. Anyway, so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is, wow, you see how that comes down? We're gonna transform this face. Yes, we are. Okay, so you want to look in the mirror, right? You want to study your face and you want to see exactly where you want to put these tapes. Tape, plural. Anyway, so I look at my face and I go, okay, well, this bothers the crap out of me. So I think I would want my tapes to be here because it's going to lift. Look at what a difference, you guys, look. Okay, I don't want it too dramatic because I don't want to look like this, and it's possible to do it with these tapes. So you see that? Look. It's just a little lift. So I feel it should be right here, correct? Okay, so we're gonna get into it right now. First thing you want to do is to have your hair down, and now we're gonna study the face. And I want the tape to go here and here. So I am going to part my hair right under, like right by where the tape is going to go. Okay. So here we go. Now, a bit of alcohol, and we're going to wipe exactly where we're putting these tapes. Let's do it. If you hear my washing machine in the background, I'm sorry, but you know, your girl needs some new clothes, you know, clean clothes. Take the alcohol, make sure we're trying to get rid of any dirt, any oil, so that this shit sticks. I'm excited because I never did this before, and I'm going to a wedding on Thursday. Yes, a Thursday wedding. Basically, it's going to go here, it's going to go here, like up like this and pull back, and then in the back, you're going to adjust it to where you want it. Like, do you want it tight? Do you want, you know, it depends. So, we're gonna do this now. I'm scared. This is all new to me, so bear with me. Okay, so since I want it here, right? Make sure your hair is away. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, right? We want it like that. So we're gonna put it like, first of all, let's do a before shot. Okay. Gonna do it right here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. See, look. Okay, we gotta hold for 15 seconds. Already, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. But I wish they would have given me the dark one because the dark one looks just like my hair. And what do we do with this? Like, that stays? That's weird. They gotta really come out with, I think, better ways to hide that, you know? Okay, I'm so So blind. Ugh. Okay, I don't want to touch that. Look at me. I'm crooked. I don't care, but I can't see anything, you guys. Oh, man. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Okay, so we got one there, and then we'll get one right. Oh boy, I don't want my face to look crooked. I guess right here. I don't even know. Let's hold them down. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay. Now, from what I hear, a good way to really keep this in place is to even use spirit gum. What? You know I'm gonna get myself some spirit gum. But the Halloween stores are not around right now, so we might have to order that crap on Amazon, and I think I'll do it. Okay, let's just get right into it. You ready? So let's see. Oh, wow. Look, you guys. Look at that. Okay, so now we have to adjust this. Oh my gosh. So, oh wow, it really is easy to put in the holes. Do it. I hope this thing don't snap. Oh no. Imagine I'm at the wedding. Okay, I did it, you guys. I did it. Oh my, you guys, look at that. Okay, so let me see how I can hide it. Okay. Stop. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, you guys, this is a game changer. I am dying right now. Stop. My face is completely tight. Okay. Okay. Look at this. You can't see it. So you guys, I put on some makeup, just a little bit. I put on some dollar hoops. I changed my robe into a cute little shirt. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, be honest. Do you see a difference? Does it make me look younger? I love it. I think I'll wear these every day. Give it a big old thumbs up if you think this video was good, and give it a big old thumbs down if you think that, yeah, this was a fail. I don't think so, but I want to hear your opinions. Okay, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, shit, I look good. I think I look good.